gas?
Yes. Daddy, I want gas, please. Gas.
You want gas? How much gas you want?
540 gas. 1 million.
How much gas?
1 million.
Oh, you want gas, Sasa? How much gas you want?
540.
You're not telling me how much gas? Where's the money? Where's the money? You need money to pay for the gas. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yes, buddy.
It's called Hot Wheels. Wheels. No one. No one. I'm not seeing me that time.
But as of you were in the car. Go and get that. Go and get another one. Go and get. You can't want the same one that you have.
Daddy, it's called Hot Wheels.
It's Hot Wheels.
Yes, like Zayers.
So Azaf didn't know him want a car until him say Amit. Everything him say Amit do, him just want to do the same thing. And both of them, I had to go rough them up just now to get them to stop fighting for one car. They have 2 cars to drive, they're fighting for 1 car. Well, again, good morning. Went out last night, we didn't stay out late, but feeling a bit tired, so Alicia is still in the bed trying to get some rest. I woke up, watch some TV. I normally wake up very early, so I get out the room, watch some TV because I don't want to bother anybody in the room. I wake up and watch YouTube or whatever it is. So I watch TV in the living room, leave them in the room. So, oh boy.
I don't want Daddy to change his movie.
So tell Daddy, please don't change it.
Daddy,
I won't change it, I was gonna pause it, okay?
He's gonna pause it for you so that you don't miss it.
pause
For
it.
some reason, it paused. Alright, look, pause. It's not going anywhere.
It's not going anywhere.
You see? When I come back, it'll find it, okay?
Go drink
some
it. I'm
reason,
making you
The
breakfast.
biggest chef in the world can't open a can of bully.
I definitely
cannot
cannot at all. I always struggle. I have no idea, you know that? Why? So normally what I'll do is use the can opener on the top part.
You know, I'm trying to figure out why Jamaicans call it bully beef. Because of the cow?
Probably.
Well, it's not
I don't
a
know.
cow, it's a
I don't know. Corned beef. It's leaking, it's leaking, it's
Yeah,
leaking.
corned beef. No,
It's
why
leaking.
Jamaicans? Guys, why Jamaicans call it bully beef?
It's leaking. Come, hurry, hurry. Give it to me. It's leaking.
Okay, go on.
Alright.
Come here, let's make a video so everybody can laugh at you at school.
No.
If you cry again, everybody's gonna laugh at you at school. You and Azza. Move. 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 Go away. I'm gonna send the video to your friend that you're crying. Who was crying? Ami, right, Azza?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Okay, everybody's gonna get the video. You ready to go get a haircut? You ready to go get a haircut, boss? Azza, you ready?
Yeah.
Big baby. You're a baby.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you're a baby. Azza, who is the baby?
Mommy.
Amik is the baby?
I came in the living room and the boys are in here. They turned the AC on and Amik is over here. Amik, what are you doing? You finished your homework?
I'm very moody.
We have reading to do and the sight words. That's what we have to do. Amik, why were you laughing? Can you guys imagine? Amik randomly started roasting Asafa and I. That Asafa's bald and I have no hair. It'd always be your own kids. Why are you saying I have no hair? I have hair.
No.
I have hair.
No.
What is this then? Huh?
Head.
Head? So you have no hair either.
No.
That's what that means. You don't have hair. Look. You don't have hair because your hair is not long.
Yes.
So you don't have hair.
Yes.
And I have hair. My hair is longer than yours.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
So the boys are supposed to actually go get a haircut. We're waiting. So for now, we're gonna watch. I mean, what did I tell you about this show? I don't like this show. You need to change it. Hey, we're gonna change the show. I don't like it.
Why?
Because it's not a good show for you to watch.
You want to see the man bots?
It's not about that. It's just not a good show. It's not appropriate for your age.
You don't watch.
Hey, change it now. No, don't ask me questions on why. It's just not appropriate, so change it. That's not how you change it. This way. Anyway, sometimes you have to really be like careful with the shows they watch, like on Netflix, wherever, YouTube, because it's like cartoons and you might not think anything of it. By the time you know it, it's like it's showing them things that they're not ready for or they just don't understand. So like I'm watching the show and I just don't like the vibe of it. Like, no, we're not watching that. So no, I was just saying he's watching this cartoon and I was saying he has to be mindful when they're watching cartoons, because sometimes I'm watching this one and like
put some resin on them mouth.
yeah, or even the way they act. This one is like the guy's a superhero, but he's in very short shorts and then like just whining on himself. So I told him to change it.
Come, uncle's coming to take us.
They're gonna go get a haircut.
Bye.
Bye. See you later, alligator. See, you're gonna have no hair.
Mommy.
I mean, you're gonna have no hair. You're gonna have no hair. Bye.
Mommy,
Bring me back a present.
Mommy, sharks don't live at house.
Yes. All right. You're gonna have no hair. You're gonna be bald like daddy.
Yeah. Yeah. No.
Yeah, ball.
All right.
You're gonna, Get a haircut. Yourself. You look nice. I'll make your haircut. How's that? You like it?
Sit down.
You look your haircut now? You look your haircut. You want me to trim it for you? You want me to cut it for you? What do you mean about
Yes.
I can't cut here.
Yes.
You want me to cut it?
Yes.
Okay, give me the knife. Get a knife, you know.
No, this look like daddy can't go cut it. A knife daddy has to. Daddy no. Daddy no. It's not
Give me a knife. Give me a knife, boss. Amik, come and say it.
You want shave? You want?
Yeah, trim it too? Yes. Alright, boss. The man want to take off the skin off of my head top to burn the... And so I want trim, so I sit down that chair. Yo, since I have so much here, just give me a fade. Just give me a fade, since I have so much here.
Alright, now we can't fade it and we guess it.
But I got spray something for it. I couldn't say them I do.
Bring it out here.
Yeah?
Make you see what I'm going. See that? Two different layers.
Better, yeah, man. Nothing around this one, man. Nothing around this one.
You can look back for your video when you're done.
Come eat a dinner, boss. You need to go eat your food. Eat your food, man.
Yum.
You know what I mean?
Then we're gonna go in the black bend. How Daddy fix the black bend?
Babe, I noticed you never noticed my new haircut, you know.
What haircut? You didn't get a haircut. What haircut?
Get a new haircut. Get a new haircut. Elvis give me a haircut.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, Elvis was like, yo, come get a haircut, man, if you hear one too. So I'm like, okay.
Wait, what? You had hair on your head since when?
So them say. So
You
them
seriously
say.
got it trimmed?
Yeah, shave up.
Oh, like the little pricklies. That's
But
not
it's a
hair.
true, just handsome, you don't really notice the difference. You know what I mean? Just stay handsome.
I'm hoping this. It's just pricklies. That's not hair. He's telling me to say bye. So bye, guys. See you later.